You made like the green. I have a red this time. Okay. Yes. Oh, I don't. Alright, so I was referring to about taking that as what I was doing the next morning, and about what Grant said at school, and I didn't not before, and I was Grant that day because it was cursing still, and that was I wish they really go to Tweez. So. Thank God we didn't, because I wanted to know if he did or not, or I was like, I'll confess to Haley. Pep blue. Sun's on. Monty's still going. Now, like you're saying, ew and no. Ew, no. Okay, I'm not out yet, but I have one more here. How about green?
Is this not yours?
No, I'm almost over. It's an 8-minute one. I think it goes question just. Oh no! I got 3 here. So.
Huh?
There wasn't anything else. I had it. Never mind. I got your first one. Oh, I got one right away. Yo. Okay, what Canva says, she never stopped me.
That what?
She says, so the water, she says, it's never gonna stop me, because it's the wrong art.
Alright, here, try it.
Okay. Alright, yeah. What have I done about taking 90 more sons? But I'm going to the garage, we're gonna close the garage on the radio tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for that next. Alright, pause for a minute.
Go ahead, hurry up.
Alright, garage door closing right now. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
And then the one that cats went out. Alright.
That's fine. Alright.
That's it for now.
We got 2.